Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ACT, Anita's Communication Tutorial. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 20 objective questions based on sensor and its characteristics. The first question is, which of the following statement is correct? Option A, sensors and transducers are both examples of actuators. Option B, sensors and actuators are both examples of transducers. Option C, actuators and transducers are both examples of sensors. Option D, neither sensor nor actuators are examples of transducers. And the correct answer is option B, sensors and actuators are both examples of transducers. Next question is, what term describes the maximum expected error associated with a measurement or a sensor? A, precision, B, resolution, C, accuracy, and D, range. The correct answer is option C, that is accuracy. The next question is, change in output of a sensor with change in input is A, threshold, B, slew rate, C, sensitivity, and D, none of the mentioned. The correct answer is option C, that is sensitivity. Next question is, smallest change which a sensor can detect is A, resolution, B, accuracy, C, precision, and D, scale. The correct answer is option A, resolution. Next question is, the more correct a sensor can measure, the more dash it is. A, accurate, B, precise, C, scaled, and D, extend. And the correct answer is accurate. The next question is, transducer which converts sound into electrical energy is A, microphone, B, AFR, C, tactile sensor, and D, pallister. And the correct answer is option A, that is microphone. The next question is, the difference between the measured value and the true value is called A, relative error, B, absolute error, C, probable error, and D, gross error. And the correct answer is option B, that is absolute error. Sensor that converts the input signal into the output signal, which is a discrete function of time, is known as A, active, B, analog, C, digital, and D, pulse. And the correct answer is option C, that is digital. And the next question is, the ability to give same output reading when same input value is applied repeatedly is known as A, stability, B, repeatability, C, accuracy, and D. And the correct answer is option B, that is repeatability. Next question is, the study of relationship between the input and output when input is invariant with respect to time is called as A, static characteristics of instruments, B, dynamic characteristic of instruments, C, variable characteristics of instruments, and D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, that is static characteristics of instruments. Next question is, dash is the curve plotted between input and output by giving known inputs to an instrument and obtaining corresponding outputs. Option A, characteristics curve. Option B, accuracy curve. Option C, calibration curve. And option D, sensitivity curve. And the correct answer is option C, that is calibration curve. Next question is, it is the ability of a sensor to indicate the same output over a period of time for a constant input. Option A, stability, B, resolution, C, error, and D, impedance. And the correct answer is option B, that is resolution. Next question is, in a measuring system, the quantity under measurement is termed as A, measurand, B, controllers, C, sensors, and D, indicators. And the correct answer is option A, that is measurand. Question is, dash can be defined as the variation in the constant of proportionality between the input physical quantity and the output electrical signal. Option A, resolution, B, accuracy, C, precision, and D, linearity. And the correct answer is option D, linearity. Next question is, sensors that need no auxiliary energy for their operation are called A, self-generating sensors, B, passive sensors, C, analog sensors, and D, digital sensors. And the correct answer is option A, that is self-generating sensors. Next question is based on what parameter a sensor is chosen? Option A environmental factors, B economic factors, C static characteristics, and D all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. Next question is Lash is defined as closeness among set of values: A accuracy, B precision, C sensitivity, and D linearity. Correct answer is option B, that is precision. Question is which of the following error is caused by reversal of measured property? A hysteresis, B noise, C digitization error, and D quantization error. Correct answer is option A, that is hysteresis. Next question is reproducibility is defined as the ability of a sensor to produce same output when same input is applied. Option A taken over a long time interval, B performed by different operators, C with different instruments and in different laboratories, and D all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. Next question is which characteristics tells us about how well a sensor responds to change in its input? Option A static characteristics, option B dynamic characteristics, option C environmental characteristics, and option D reliability characteristics. And the correct answer is option B, that is dynamic characteristics. Thank you everyone for watching my video, but don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also press the bell icon for getting notifications of my new videos.